Steve here, RC with the Arrma Gorgon. We're gonna do some jumps over here, and I'm gonna bring it in the ball field. It's a bad spot to do jumps. But we're gonna try. Wasn't a jump, that was a wall. Oh yeah. Not the best spot for jump, but needed to hold the gas on. That's enough over here. I always take them here and I ruin them. Bodies get mangled. It's funny, the body didn't rip and I'm beating up on it now more than I ever did. Must have been a bad luck. Let's go to the ball field. I'm at the ball field. See if this jump works. Oh, it's right up. There's a little jump here, but suspension on this thing is so nice. Sucking it up the frickin' air. Look. There's a nice dip here. I thought it would launch it. But it sucks it up. A little bit. Anyway, runs good in the sand. Runs good everywhere. Oh, I made it. Try up here. Oh! Ah! Taking a beating. Oh, she just shut down. Alright guys, that's it with the Arrma Gorgon. I smacked it up pretty good. It's funny. I beat on it and flipped it on the tarmac. It got white marks in the body, nothing ripped. I'm surprised that it ripped the first time. It ripped in my first test video because I only flipped it like 2 times. Now I was pounding on it. Nothing. Anyhow, there you go guys. Arrma tough. She took a beating today. Thanks for watching. Leave me all that good stuff. It helps the channel out. I'll see you next time, guys. RC out.